Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another super quick Tinkercad tutorial. So let's get cracking. Friends, we have got another fabulous project from Alex. You may remember him from the father-son Tinkercad TV episode. He sent me this little piece right here and asked me, if we press F to fit view, how come it appears that is not the same on every side. So I did some looking, and it is the same distance up and down, 0.5 millimeter. You can see that's how I made it show up. I do have a strategy for how to make it so it does look the same on every side. Let me show you what we're gonna do. Simply hit export SVG. All I'm exporting is the green roof. I'm gonna throw this in my downloads quick. I'm going to call it triangle for LED display. That's totally fine. And then I'm simply going to re-import that. Import, choose a file. Once again, visit downloads, and there's my LED. I only want the art. I'm keeping the measurements, and I'm choosing import. That quick. Now I do have to figure out where it put it because this project is really large, and I want to make sure I don't mess up anything Alex has built. It went over here. So now I'm going to do shift nudge to get it over to where I was playing. And let me show you, F to fit view, why we did this. So if we go to fill mode and switch to outer line, jack the quality up, so I went all the way to max, and set the line width to like 0.1, after a moment, we get the exact shape Alex was asking for. It is the same on every side, and that is what you need when you're trying to build that. So once again, the difference was this centered this shape above both pieces, and that's why the sides don't look the same. It didn't scale it, it just centered it. When you use an SVG and you turn on your sharp and so on and so forth, bingo, same on every side, which I think is what Alex wanted. Friends, I just want to say thanks again to Alex for sharing. Don't forget, there is a Tinkercad subreddit. That's where he reached out. You can also find me in all the other places. You can comment on my YouTube videos or even visit my website, HLModTech.com. Of course, there's the tab dedicated to Tinkercad with all the categories, the beginner lessons, and then, friends, down at the bottom, the sweet built-in messaging tool. Friends, you can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. While I'm out here, friends, don't forget there is also the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, we have more than 600 members, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.